Well, hi Deana.
Hi Darren, I'm great, thank you.
Here we are at the wonderful Woody Guthrie Center with the Managing Director and leader of the organisation here. And we are absolutely thrilled to be here because you chose to have our product, the Riveli system, here with this amazing picture of our hero, Woody Guthrie.
Isn't it amazing? I mean, look how wonderful it looks and how it shows off our merchandise. I'm excited about it.
So, what can you say about it? What do you think it does here for your organisation?
Well, I love the fact that we're able to show off our wearables with people actually modeling them instead of just hanging them from hangers from the top of the ceiling. It's much more interactive for people, and with a state-of-the-art museum such as we have, bringing in the digital component is of course important to us. But I also love the fact that Woody's here. Woody's encouraging people to read these books, to listen to these CDs, and it incorporates his spirit better than just plain glass shelving was doing for us before.
That's great. And I guess the other thing that I know when we talked about putting the installation in, that you said you were looking forward to, is if you come up with another Woody Guthrie undiscovered image that you guys tend to do, you can swap it out, right?
Oh, absolutely, and we're excited about that as well. You know, keeping it fresh, we may keep a couple of different options on hand so that, you know, different seasons, different things that we're doing on the gallery floor, we can change out the image and make it really pop. I really love that we're able to focus on the educational components that we have in our store, the CDs, the books, and bring people in, and without the distractions of so many items on shelves. Things on shelves don't necessarily sell. Things on shelves that are interactive and appealing are going to sell.
Well, we really admire the work you're doing. Congratulations on an amazing environment.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Oh, thank you. I mean, it's incredible. I'm so excited.
Record spinning, we got no rules.